Selling editable planners on Etsy can be lucrative. With rising demand for tools, many sellers earn impressive income with customizable digital planners. Editable planners appeal to a broad audience. Their customization makes them highly desirable. To create high-demand planners, start by choosing a niche. Focus on specific audiences for better results. Use the right design tools like Canva or Adobe InDesign. Make it easy for customers to personalize the planners. Offer diverse templates and layouts. This increases attractiveness to a wider range of buyers. Optimize Etsy listings with keywords like editable planner for better search visibility. Set sales goals. For $20 planners, sell 100 each week to reach $2,000. Scale your shop for more earnings. Consider outsourcing tasks and expand to other platforms like Gumroad. Create online courses to share your expertise. With the right strategy, earning $2,000 weekly selling planners on Etsy is achievable. Stay consistent and scale your efforts.